Here's a 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It's well equipped with the features you need: AM/FM stereo radio, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, easy lift and lower tailgate, manual telescoping steering column, V8 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and external memory control. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop into Milton Ruben Toyota. We're easy to find at 3510 Washington Road in Augusta, Georgia.